Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this traditional classically comforting British bake. It features juicy Bramley apples with a buttery and nutty topping. This is a tried and tested apple crumble recipe which is always a winner when served to my family or when I'm hosting a dinner party. This classic dessert is best served with custard, and I like to put a little bit of cream on top to complement the flavours. All of the ingredients I used are listed in the description below. Okay guys, let's get on to it. So firstly, I peel the apples and I cut them into slices. I added a slice of butter into a non-stick pan before adding all the apples. I let that cook for 10 minutes on a high heat and I stirred it occasionally. While them apples were softening nicely, I added some sugar. I went ahead and added some salt, and then I added some cinnamon and also some nutmeg. So as a thickening agent, I used a little bit of corn flour and I added some boiling water to that. I gave that a good mix and poured it on top of the apples. I combined all of them ingredients together and then I moved on to making my crumble. Okay, for the crumble I added some plain flour to a bowl. I added some oats, some softened butter, and I rubbed them together with my fingers. I kept on rubbing them together until I got a crumble-like texture and until it looks like this. So now that my apples are softened and my crumble is ready, it's time to put everything together. I made 2 small apple crumbles for my dinner party. If you want to make just one, just half the ingredients in the description below. I then went ahead and added the crumble on top of the apples. Lastly and most importantly, I added some granulated sugar, and this is now ready for the oven. I baked them for about 25 minutes on 200°C. When I achieved this golden light colour, I took them out of the oven and they were ready to serve. And it is as simple as that, a traditional apple crumble recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys, till next time.